Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda and today I'm going to be talking about what a UX portfolio is and what it should contain as a new designer. So what is a UX portfolio? It's basically a collection of work that you've done in the past which can be shown to potential employers, recruiters, or clients, and it's also a way to indicate the skills that you do have. And what's so great about a portfolio is that you're not only telling them what you can do, but you're visually showing them what you can bring to the table. Unlike a resume, you're just kind of writing down your skills and experiences without backing that up. It's most commonly shown through a website, which I will pull up to the right over here. This is my own personal website that I do have up right now, which you guys can go check out. And that being said, your portfolio should show your personality and who you are, whether it is through like a short statement about yourself and what you do, or a visual representation of who you are, or even show yourself in the about page, which I'll talk about more in the video later. This allows you to stand out from others and make you more unique as well. So now we know what a UX portfolio is, I want to go into what it should contain. And there are four main things that it should have. The first thing is your work, obviously. Secondly, your socials. Third, about me page. And last, a contact page. So in terms of the work that you're showing, you only want to show your best work. And I recommend that you show 3 to 5 projects. I'd say 3, just because the people who come to your portfolio are probably employers or recruiters, and they only have maybe less than 5 minutes to go through everything. And they're only there to skim through your projects. They will not be reading through every single word and paragraph. They're just there to see if you understand what you're doing and if you're good at it. So the projects that should be in your portfolio are projects that you've made an impact to a company that you worked at in the past, projects that have made you happy with the final outcome, or even projects that have a great design process. And that being said, showing the process of the work to reach a result is way more important than the result itself. And also your project should essentially tell a story, explaining everything from the beginning to the end. So other than your main projects, I've seen people have little side or smaller projects within their work as well. I'd say probably put that into a different page or just completely don't have it in there, just because like I said earlier, the people who are going through a portfolio don't have time, which connects me to my next point. You want to have socials in there. You want to be able to link your socials in the homepage where it's easily accessible for those who are on your portfolio. And as I mentioned earlier, you can have your LinkedIn, Instagram, Behance, or Dribble account on there where they can just click on it to see what other work that you've done in the past and just to show your experiences as well. So the third thing that you should have on your portfolio is an about me page. This is your chance to kind of talk about yourself, brag about yourself, your accomplishments, and to just really show your personality and spice things up on your portfolio. That being said, I'd say keep it to 2 to 3 paragraphs just because, again, they don't have time to read through everything. You want to make it not so heavy and overwhelming for the person reading it, and that's why I'd say keep it to that length. But if you want it longer, I'd say put a lot more visuals and pictures in there laid out in a way where it's not so overwhelming for the person who's reading it. My key thing is more visuals, less words equals to more interesting and just pleasing to the eye, and of course just more fun for the person who's reading it. And the last thing that should be on your portfolio is a contact page. This is not as important, which is why I'm leaving it to the end. Usually employers and recruiters might not even go to this page because you yourself sent out your portfolio to companies that you want to work for, and they're just looking through your portfolio from what you sent. So this applies more for freelancers, you could say. But yeah, that is the gist of what you should have on your portfolio: your work, your socials, an about me page, and a contact page. So I hope this video was helpful for anyone out there, especially those beginners. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!